3, 2, 1, drop E.
Balik.
Hindi mo na armor pa flex. Pinang-pina mo.
Balik
Give it back to Rosas.
Boy, yung ano mo lahat ah. Yung
Nalot ba lahat?
Oh,
Nalot na Sir Gata lahat eh. Nice.
Yung full set niya, except sa tape bata. Walang hits.
More army natin nakapatay sa kanya.
Come north.
Pag-clear ka,
World boss snap lang ata yan eh, ang alam ko.
San ka, Rosas?
Sino may extra giga?
Yo, I think TFD is coming. Hyuk. I think TFD coming. TFD is here.
Wait lang.
Yeah. TFD here. Comes out. All of you comes out.
Isang HO ka, Rosas.
Yeah. Go Ravi.
I'll go scout underside, boss ha.
Labas ka,
Yeah,
part
yeah,
ah. Labas ka. Para matrade.
Come to the front, okay?
We go Avalanche Ravine.
Okay.
Laki, gago.
Comes out. I need Yumi, live ka nga party mo, Yumi. Status.
Ayun may sin party to ah.
Yeah.
Lipat sa party 1. Ayan.
You come? You come?
Soon to be.
Yeah.
41 tayo eh.
Yeah, Avalanche Ravine, Tofu. Come sa atas. I'm here.
Pink ka, Rosas, pink.
Oh, tusukin mo lang, Rosas.
Huwag kayo mag-spam guys ha.
They go back, boss. They go back.
Come sa atis. Yeah.
Wait lang. Si Rosas.
Refill lang ako ng giga.
They go back on lake ah. Don't
Yeah,
know
it's
why.
fine. TFD go back lake, okay? TFD go back lake. Just set. Yeah.
But still 16:30 at the Glen.
Okay. Battle
Turis,
Boss, can you trade me?
Ako boss, mag-ano ko, mag-dipo ako.
Nasa labas ako ng Ravine, Rosas.
Ay, gagin, andyan na pala kayo.
Refill ba tayo ng food, boss?
Yeah. Bring extra food, boys.
Copy.
Di pulot
Di
City A.
ako Ay, wait. Pwede na pala.
Yeah, give me eyes on TFD, please.
They go
Siya
back
pwede
on lake,
mag-check
boss.
na, mag-dipo ako.
Yeah. It's okay if you regear from Glen. It's fine. Just be careful coming back.
Gago, 38 minutes. Ano sa UC? 8.4, 2 hours.
Drop all loots on City A lots boys. Para wala tayong problema mamaya.
Asan sila? Where are they? Oh no, Gondor,
Ay,
come
Rosas,
back,
Rosas,
my
Rosas.
girl.
Sorry. Kayo pala.
Nag-AFK ata siya dito kanina. Matayo lang siya dyan eh.
Where's TFD going? Somebody left my party as well.
You guys don't left. Battle's still not over.
Okay, come northeast. We go Ravine, right? MGR. Okay.
Shit, malayo.
Alright, come northeast, please.
What guys, mahuhuli kayo.
Sino yung nagbebenta ng hammer? 60k.
Marami naman ito nakahammer.
Mura na yun. Last time yung nagbebenta dyan, 75k.
Ay, totoo
Mas
ba,
big-
mahal?
Si Dipo yung nagbebenta.
Hindi talaga, boss. Hindi talaga.
Monopoly eh.
Ina mo, Dipo
Saan tayo dadaan, boss? Sa Glen.
Come to Glen.
Bibenta niya 75k, bibenta ko 60k.
Ginastify niya pa kahapon.
Wait. I can't hear team speak. Wait, I can't hear team speak. Wait.
Sorry.
Ay, sorry, Rob.
Do we know where Dutchman is?
No vision, boss.
Do we have vision? Okay, no.
I'll try take a pick at Northeast Lake. At lake, at
Steady,
lake.
steady, steady. Just wait, just wait. Hyuk, where are you? Hyuk.
Pa-northeast ang GA Orius, ah.
Gl-
Dito sila sa akin.
We hold in Glen? Okay, okay. Come here, this. Duke, Defo, where are you?
I'll take a look at lake, boss. Baka na nasa lake ang TFD eh.
Yeah. Si Lord Grim nawala sa party ko pala. Ay, hindi. Lord Grim fixed roll, please.
Oh yeah, Dutchman is here.
Okay.
Dutchman is in Lake. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's in lake. Currently 38 DA. They are raiding. Oh, they're planting an HO. That's why.
Oh, Dutchman make
Yun.
HO on Northeast.
Yeah.
Here we
on
go.
lake.
Tara.
They're gonna friendly fight? Okay.
Tara, wait. Tingnan ko sa tanongin ko.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll try to find their bomb, ah. Or anong
Okay, okay,
composition.
okay. Argo, where are you?
Dito ako sa GA. Kasama ko sila. Dito sa Willow Shade. Nagra-ride ako sa kanila.
Heavy engage ang Dutchman, boss, ah. They have incubus.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Intindihan part.
Gusto daw ba natin? Tatanong din
Bridal
sila.
bomb, bridal bomb. They have bridal bomb. Be careful, ah. They have bridal bomb.
Solo? O
Ah,
squad?
No. I think it's a squad.
Okay.
Wait there.
Landi natin.
Come back.
You're currently 38. Final.
Yeah, Duke and D4.
Ano to?
Runner wing, medyo...
Willow Shade daw.
Wait. May ano dito, may dismounted si Freyne Harley Quinn.
Sino?
Freyren Harley Quinn. Na-dismount ata siya.
Boss, they have RB
Saan ba yan?
bomb.
Tinamaan ko lang siya.
They have melee bomb.
Mataglin lang. Ba't ka ba galit na naman?
Come east. This one here.
8 minutes OC.
Yeah. Actually,
Ito,
double OC
TFD,
kayo, don't forget. Yeah.
Ay,
Mount up
TFD.
again.
Ito Griffin, ah. Ito Griffin. Holding sila sa other side of the bridge. Sa mismong
Harley Quinn, huwag ka na pumunta dyan. Dito ka na.
northeast
dito
ng pink ko.
Come here.
Fully dismounted Orius, ah. Other side of the bridge.
Yeah. Come north, push. Actually, come east side. I'm inside GE right now. I'll support their front. Come south.
Ako, may nag-raid sa Glen.
This one.
Hayaan mo yan.
Come south. Keep walking south. Give me your
They're pushing it.
Yeah, they're pushing in. Ready. Turn. Come north here. Yo, hold the east side, please. Be ready. Just wait. Come south back. Come back. Wait. Ready. You're gonna hit east side, okay? You're gonna hit east side. Yeah. Wait. Gig pot. East side on the choke. 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Hit the choke. Trap east on the choke. Okay, good job. Hold on. Yo, can we finish kills here? Finish kills. Good job. Spread.
Yung ano nila, oh,
Not yet. Don't pass the choke. We don't have cooldowns. Hold on. Just wait.
yung mat nila, Orius.
FKB nila.
Ha?
FKB.
Yeah.
Ay, gago, nabuhay.
Yeah. Kill it. Ready. Drop E. Ready. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Drop E. Drop in now. Kill him. Yo, I need you to hold him.
Makikidnap yun ah.
North side,
Ayun,
east side. Going inside. Hold him. Can you hold him?
Mahold. Wait lang.
Yeah. Hold him.
Keep
Yeah,
on
yeah.
Yan.
Kill him. Nice, good job. And then walk north side now. Walk north side now. Give me a quote. Yo,
Pakult na.
Baros na paping ako kung saan sila. Come. Keep walking. Keep walking. Mount up. Come to Glen.
Okay, mounting up.
They run.
Yuk. I go back Glen, okay?